Today's fix is the letterbox or mailbox, how you'd like to call it. The front fell out. Just show you the back part. I'm going to show you the front. I do have a dilemma. I'll show you in a second. Did I mention it's a nice, hot, humid day in Queensland? Now, my dilemma that I was going to show you is that I don't know if. But my dilemma is how to secure the mailbox, the front of the mailbox, to the back part. I assumed that it was going to be one piece, but it's not. It's obviously this part's been glued on, so I'm gonna have to clean this up a bit. Originally, I thought maybe putting some tape, but this is quite heavy. It's a thick piece of stainless steel, and so I needed something a little bit more robust, something stronger to attach it. So I figured that out, and I'll show you in a second how to do it. Okay, I've come back inside because it's so hot and humid out there. I thought I'd film a little bit in the air conditioning. I probably mentioned that already. Now, what I originally wanted to do was try and sticky tape this to the front of the mailbox while I used liquid nails to hold it together. But this is a really heavy piece of stainless steel, so I didn't think I'd get a really good grip. So I Googled it, how to fix it, and there's nothing about fixing the type of mailbox that I've got out there. So I've gone to Bunnings and bought some Selleys Liquid Nails. This was only $5.90, and I needed, well, I've come up with an idea on my own about how to secure the front of the mailbox to the internal part, which we will film. I do have ratchets, and I couldn't find them, so I went and bought a set, and they only come in pairs, and they're $11.53. Now, this sounds like I'm doing a commercial, but I'm not. I'm just telling you what I bought from Bunnings. I'm not. There's no link to click onto to buy stuff. I don't sell anything. I'm not at that level. Okay. Like I was saying before, I bought this brand new set because I couldn't find my old ones, and of course, after I bought it, found my old ones. I'll use these. I'll leave these brand new. We go camping every now and again, so they'll come in handy. Let's get outside and let's try to fix this mailbox. Of course, I thought I'd get rid of some of the excess glue. Of course, we'll do the same here. Looks like it's made in parts. This inner box is in two parts, and the back, it looks like it's been glued onto this inner bit, and the front bit's been glued on here. Okay, now that I've got that surface, a bit of surface rust off and the glue off, give it a wipe down, and we'll proceed. Now, the plan that I've come up with was to get two pieces of timber to create pressure. Two pieces of timber to create pressure to press against the frame at the back and at the front, so I could get a tight squeeze on the glue to make sure that stays together. What I'm doing now is a preliminary put together to see if this system works. Now, after a lot of fiddling around, I've managed to do what I would try to do. So I'll just put that in, balance it in place. So I've got this set up so it creates pressure on the back side, and I'm going to take it to the front where this will create pressure on the front. Let's get the glue ready. A blocked nozzle. Let's see if this works. Well, after some work, we finally got the glue flowing. Let's go put it on the letterbox outside. Okay, here's my tricky bit. Clean that up later. And there you go. That's what I've come up with. I've just made this up. Hopefully it'll work. I'll have to wait for the glue to dry, and you'll see the results tomorrow morning. Okay, let's do a recap. The front of the mailbox was stainless steel plate, and the inner side, the inner box was made of aluminium. So we used liquid nails. It says it does metal to metal. And I'm 100% positive that's going to hold. I want to wait about 48 hours before I take the straps off. That was the dilemma, how to pull the plates together and create a nice tight grip so the glue would dry and the plate wouldn't fall off. That's what I had to work out. We worked it out with the straps, and I'm really happy with that. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.